Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the camera fuse is located, which fuses you need to check. Actually, if you check the manual, there is no specific fuse for camera, but it will be most likely under a different name. We'll explain about that, where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way do not waste money and time, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that, guys, will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We'll show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation, guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. So if you need to find where the rear camera fuse is located, we'll demonstrate on that generation Toyota Corolla right here. It will most likely be under a different name, so we'll talk about that. We'll need to check multiple fuses, but I think specifically you have 5 different fuses in 2 different fuse boxes. No, it's just in one fuse box, and that fuse box is actually on the inside, guys. Open the driver door, look under the dash. On the bottom of the dash, if you look upside down, you have that white cover that looks like this one. Pull it out and you'll find interior fuse box with a layout like that one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here is what we have specifically, what we need to check. Here, okay, we need to check multiple fuses for the camera. Oh, and for any of you that need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put, guys, a link in the description of the video below. Check it out, you can save quite a bit of money. And those fuses usually will be for reverse lights, transmission shifter, tail lights. Most likely they will be the one, guys, providing power to the camera. One of the fuses, fuse number 3, that you need to check right here. Then you need to check fuse number 19 right there. Fuse number 20 will need to be checked. Then 1, 2, 3, 24 and 25. Most likely one of these fuses is for the camera, for any of you looking to find out, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.